Today discuss about the topic is Mathematics 2A Binomial Theorem Part 11. Today discuss about topic Standard Binomial Expansion. What is the meaning of Standard Binomial Expansion? Binomial expansion is x plus a whole power n or x minus a whole power n. In that expansion converted to 1 plus x whole power n or 1 minus x whole power n. That is called standard binomial expansion. 1 plus x whole power n equal to nc naught plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus on so on ncn xn. Or 1 plus x whole power n, nc naught nothing but c naught. You can write nc naught simplest for c naught, nc1 c1x c2x square plus on so on cn x power n. This binomial expansion is called standard binomial expansion. In this binomial expansion is called standard binomial expansion. In this binomial expansion, nc naught comma nc1 comma nc2 comma on so on ncn, or c naught comma c1 comma c2 comma on so on cn are binomial coefficients. What is this? This is binomial coefficients. This is called binomial expansion standard form. After that, you can write 1 plus x whole power n simplest form. Simplest form is r equal to 0 to n NCR x power r. This is the simplest form of standard binomial expansion. Next, 1 minus x whole power n is what? 1 minus x whole power n equal to nc naught minus nc1x plus nc2x square minus on so on minus 1 whole power n into ncn x power n, or 1 minus x whole power n equal to nc naught nothing but c naught minus c1x plus c2x square minus on so on minus 1 whole power n into cn x power n. This binomial expansion also be called standard binomial expansion. Standard binomial expansion having two types. One is 1 plus x whole power n, another one is 1 minus x whole power n. Here c0, c1, c2, c3 and so on all binomial coefficients of standard binomial expansion. What is the simplest form of 1 minus x whole power n? In this 1 minus x whole power n simplest form is summation of r equal to 0 to n minus 1 whole power r into NCR x power r. This is the simplest form of the 1 minus x whole power n standard binomial expansion. The problem is, if n is a positive integer, then c0 plus c1 plus c2 plus on so on cn is equal to 2 power n. This one is the first problem. Second one, a bit c0 c plus c2 plus c4 plus on so on cn equal to 2 power n minus 1 if n is even, c0 plus c2 plus c4 on so on cn minus 1. These two terms are sequence are equal, but last term difference. Here also be answer same, n is odd. c1 plus c3 plus c5 on so on cn minus 1 2 power n minus 1. c1 c3 c5 on so on cn 2 power n. This one is the problems. In these problems, you can proof is very important. 7 marks question. Proof is what, sir? First of all, you can write 1 plus x whole power n standard derivation form. Standard binomial expansion formula. c naught plus c1x plus c2x square plus on so on cnx. Here this is equation 1. In equation 1, substituted x is equal to 1. Substituted x is equal to 1. 1 implies 1 plus x value 1 whole power n c naught plus c1 into 1 plus c2 into 1 square plus on so on cn into 1 power n. You can write 1 plus 1 value is 2 power n equal to c naught c1 into 1 c1 c2 into 1 square value also be c2 and so on cn. This one is the first This one is a first problem answer. C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus and so on Cn equal to 2 power n completed. Next, in equation 1, substituted n is equal to minus 1. N is equal to minus 1. 1 implies, what is 1 here? 1 minus 1 whole power n is equal to C0 plus C1 into minus 1 plus C2 into minus 1 square plus C3 into plus on so on Cn into minus 1 whole power n. You can write 1 minus 1 value 0, 0 power n value 0 equal to C0 minus C1 minus 1 whole square value plus C2 plus on so on minus 1 whole power n into Cn. This is equation number 2. Here, this add equation 1 and 2. What is the equation of 1? LHS total of C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus on so on Cn is equal to 2 power n. In equation 2, what is the equation? C0 minus C1 plus C2 minus on so on minus 1 whole power n Cn is equal to 0. After that, adding these two terms, plus C1 minus C1 cancel, plus C3 minus C3, odd terms, all odd terms are cancelled. C1, C3, C5, and so on. C0 plus C0, 2C0, C2 plus C2, 2C2, next term C4 plus C4, 2C4, plus and so on. In these two terms, Cn common, you get here 1 plus minus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 power n plus 0, nothing but 2 power n. Here 2C0 plus 2C2 plus 2C4 plus and so on Cn into 1 plus minus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 power n. If n is even, 2C0 plus 2C2 plus 2C4 and so on Cn, n is even, minus 1 whole power n value how much? Already explained. Minus 1 whole power n having two values, 1 and minus 1. If n is even, 1. If n is odd, minus 1. If n is even, minus 1 whole power n value is 1. 1 plus 1, you get 2 is equal to 2 power. These all terms, which one is common? 2 common. C0 plus C2 plus C4 and so on. Cn is equal to 2 power n. After that, C0 plus C2 plus C4 and so on. Cn equal to 2 power n by 2. 2 power n by 2. 2 power n by 2 nothing but 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. This is if n is even, what is the answer? C0 plus C2 plus C4 plus on so on Cn is equal to 2 power n minus 1. If n is odd, in this equation n is odd, 2C0 plus 2C2 plus 2C4 and so on Cn minus 1 whole power n value, if n is odd, minus 1. 1 minus 1 0, Cn terms are 0. You goes to before term. Before term is what here? Cn minus 1. Cn minus 1, here Cn minus 1 term is positive. Here Cn term minus 1 term is 1 plus minus 1 whole power n minus 1. This is the Cn term is equal to 2 power n. Here minus 1 whole power n, if n is odd, this term is 0, 1 minus 1 also be 0. You get Cn term is 0, goes to before term. Before term, here Cn minus v same is there. Here Cn minus 1, before term minus 1 whole power n into Cn minus 1. Here minus 1 whole power n minus 1, if n is odd, positive. If n is odd, this is even number. Why? Because odd minus 1. Odd minus 1, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 7 minus 1, 9 minus 1, these are even numbers. This is positive. After that 2C0 plus 2C2 plus 2C4 and so on. This one is even, 1 plus 1 2, 2cn minus 1 is equal to 2 power n. These all terms are you get common to c0 plus c2 plus c4 plus also cn minus 1 is equal to 2 power n. After that c0 plus c2 plus c4 plus also on cn minus 1 equal to 2 power n by 2 nothing but 2 power n minus 1. In this case, if n is odd, you can write if n is even, c0 plus c2 plus c4 last term is cn. If n is odd, c0 plus c2 plus c4 also last term is cn minus 1. If this is the difference between even number and odd number. If even number, cn term is 0. If if even number, cn term is there. If odd number, cn term is 0. You goes to before term of cn, that is cn minus 1. First problem completed. Second problem, 2 cases completed. Next goes to third problem. You can subtract equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is what here? C0 plus C1 plus C2 and so on Cn is equal to 2 power n. What is the second equation? C0 minus C1 plus C2 and so on minus and so on minus 1 over power n into Cn equal to 0. Just to subtract it. Subtract it nothing but minus plus and so on. You can write C0 get cancelled, C2 get cancelled. C1 plus C1, 2C1. Here you can get all odd terms C1, C3, C1 plus 2C3 plus 2C5 plus and so on. What is the last term? Last term here Cn. Here also this Cn. You can common Cn into here before Cn quotient is 1. Here minus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 power n. Correct or not? First, once again check. Here C0, all even numbers are cancelled. Odd terms C1, C3, C3, two terms is there. Last term Cn, here also the Cn is there. Here last term subtracted nothing but plus, you get to minus 1 minus 1 whole power n. Here also we having how many cases? 2 cases. First, if n is even. If n is even. If n is even, 2C1 plus 2C3 plus 2C5 plus and so on. If n is even, minus 1 whole power n values plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. 1 minus 1 0. Cn term is 0. If n is even, Cn term is 0. It goes to before term. Before term Cn minus 1. 1 minus of whole power 1 minus 1. You can write that is equal to 2 power. After that, here n is which here even? Even minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 5 minus 6 minus 1, 5. These are odd numbers. Here this one is odd. Odd number minus 1 whole power odd number nothing but positive. 1 plus 1 2. You get 2C1 plus 2C3 plus 2C5 plus and so on. 2Cn minus 1 equal to 2 power n. If n is even, all terms you get common 2 common. C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus and so on. Cn minus 1 is equal to 2 power n. C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus and so on. Cn minus equal to 2 power n by 2. C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus and so on. Cn minus 1 equal to 2 power n by 2. 2 power n by 2 nothing but 2 power n minus 1. Why? Because 2 power n into 2 power minus 1 bases are equal to adding the powers. In this which case this answer if n is even. If n is even, what is answer? C1 plus C3 plus C5 plus and so on Cn minus 1 you get answer. If this one is even. Suppose if given n is odd. Given n is what here? Odd. If n is odd, what happens? If n is odd. If n is odd. If n is odd. If n is odd. Cn term what here? Cn term is 1 minus 1 whole. Right. 2C1 plus 2C3 plus 2C5 plus and so on. If n is odd, minus 1 whole power n value is. If n is odd, minus 1 whole power n value is minus 1. Already a minus is there, minus into minus plus. Plus 2c1 is there, is equal to 2 power n. After that it goes to this all terms 2 common, c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus and so on. Cn minus Cn is equal to 2 power n. After that c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus and so on. Cn equal to 2 power n by 2. Nothing but c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus and so on. Cn equal to 2 power n minus 1, already explained before formula. Right, if n is odd, c1 plus c3 plus c5 plus cn equal to 2 power n minus 1, thought will also be completed. This is very important, unexpected question in 7 marks. Very easy one. You can we can take a standard binomial expansion, put x is equal to 1, put x is equal to minus 1, adding these two you get a second answer, subtracted these two equation you get a third answer. Just these three formulas by hearted or read and write 2 times. These formulas are useful formulas. If n is a once again positive integer, first formula summation of r equal to 1 to n or cr. Nothing but expansion this term, r here nothing but 1c1, c1, 2c2 plus 3c3 plus 4c4 and so on. Ncn is equal to n into 2 power n minus 1. This is the formula. This formula we can write the simplest form. Here c1, c2, c3, c4 and so on is called binomial coefficients. C1 is nothing but nc1. This is the first one. Second one is you can write r equal to 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 into 2 minus 1? 1. 2 into 1 2. 2c2 plus 3 into 2 6c3 plus 3 completed 4. 4 into 3 12c4 plus and so on. N value is n into n minus 1. Cn is equal to n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. This is a second formula. This is the explanation of second formula. Third one is r square into cr. We can write this is simplest one. You can write expanded 1 square into c1, 2 square into c2, 3 square into c3 and so on. N square into cn equal to n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. These three formulas are using 7 marks question conditions. These formulas are using 7 marks questions only. Okay, thank you.